Hello and welcome to Stoke Audi. My name is Ben and today I'll be showing you around this approved used Audi Q5 S line 2 litre TDI quattro with 190 PS and the S Tronic automatic gearbox. This particular Q5 is finished in the Mythos Black Metallic paint, which gives this car a real nice stylish look. Coming to the front of the vehicle, we do have this car's LED headlights. These offer a really nice bright beam and really light up those road conditions for the driver. As we make our way around the side to the vehicle, we come to this car's 19-inch 5 twin spoke star design alloy wheels. These are in really great condition and really give this car some real nice presence on the road. Taking a closer look, we can have a look at the condition that these wheels are in. Just some more information on this particular Q5. It is a 2019 model and has covered just over 40,150 miles. It's a diesel, automatic. And taking a closer look, coming back into the vehicle, we can take another look at those 19-inch alloy wheels. And this car does also feature the rear privacy glass, as well as the chrome trim around the windows and the chrome roof rails to the top. To the rear of the vehicle, this car does feature the rear parking sensors. These really help if you haven't had a vehicle of this size before, giving you a good indication of objects around you. Opening the rear tailgate of this vehicle does reveal this Q5's 540 litres of boot space. That's plenty enough room for those day-to-day tasks, as well as carrying the pets and things like suitcases. As you can see in the back, these rear pull handles do fold the rear seats down separately, creating a nice through load space for larger or longer items. The rear parcel shelf does easily pull out and snap into place, keeping those valuable items in the rear nice and covered and away from prying eyes. Once you're done loading up this boot space, just a simple push of this button here will close the rear tailgate for you. Great if you've got your hands full or are in a rush to get out of that typical British weather. Coming around the side, we'll take a final look at those 19-inch alloy wheels. And stepping through the driver's side door, we can see this car's premium interior. The front seats are incredibly supportive and comfortable, and in this car are finished in the leather in Alcantara material. Taking a closer look, we can also see the embossed S logos just below the head restraint. Up in the driver to find that perfect driving position are the manual adjustment controls for the seats, allowing plenty of configuration in the seat's positioning. As well to the side, we also have the controls for this seat's four-way lumbar support. From the driver's perspective, we can see this car's leather perforated multifunction steering wheel, which does contain the controls for the multimedia systems. We have the cruise control stalk, which is perfect for those longer motorway journeys, giving the driver's foot a rest from the accelerator pedal. And we have the paddle shifters to the top, giving the driver a sportier feel behind the wheel. This car does also feature Audi's virtual cockpit display. This allows the driver to customize what is shown on the screen using the buttons that are located on the steering wheel. This allows you to flow through the different menus available, as well as get a nice wide view of the satellite navigation system. Using the scroll dial, we can easily zoom in and out of the map system, as well as do things like select the radio station and scroll through the car's information menu. Moving over to this car's intuitive multimedia display, which is all controlled via the dials, buttons and typing pad here in the center console. We can select from options like this car's built-in DAB radio with a great choice of radio stations. We also have the Audi Smartphone Connect. This does contain Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to easily connect your smartphone device to the screen, mirroring your phone screen onto the display. We have this car's full built-in satellite navigation system. Clicking in the map system will give you a full view of the maps, while the scroll dial allows you to zoom in and out. Clicking on the navigation button allows you to type in or draw in your destination. Using the drawing pad in the center console, you can easily draw out the letters and write out your selected destination. If you make a mistake, simply pressing the back button will delete your last entry. Once you're done, simply push down on the scroll wheel and select from the options available, and the car will start navigating to that chosen destination. We also have the Audi Drive Select system. This being a quattro model, we do get the off-road setting, as well as efficient, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual driving styles. Moving further down below, we do have the controls for this car's 3-zone climate control system. The digital dials make it really nice and easy to change the temperature inside the vehicle, while the buttons to the centre allow you to change the fan intensity, the fan's direction, as well as things like turning on and off the air conditioning. To either side of these controls, we do have the buttons for the 2 front heated seats. These are perfect for keeping you nice and warm on those colder journeys, and by pressing them multiple times, change the intensity and turning them back off again. Coming down and pushing this button here or putting the car into reverse will automatically activate those front and rear parking sensors, giving you a nice audible indication of how close you are to objects around you and helping you avoid them. As I said earlier, this is great if you haven't had a vehicle of this size before. We also have the hill descent assist, great for if you're off-roading. This keeps a consistent speed when going down steep hills. Coming down further below, we do have a 12-volt power socket as well as a USB-A port. This is perfect for keeping those media devices nice and charged, especially when using them with the car's built-in Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. We have the engine stop-start button. And again, the scroll dial, buttons and typing pad for this car's MMI display. As you can see, the quick option menu buttons take you to different options throughout this car's menu system. Just to the left, the audio control dial allows you to change volume and track in the vehicle without needing to take your eyes off the road. And coming further back, we do have this car's automatic S Tronic gearbox, which does also feature the electronic parking brake. Under the driver's armrest, we do have the Audi phone box. This contains a wireless phone charging pad to the front, as well as just inside another USB port, as well as an aux-in socket. Again, this is perfect for connecting those media devices, while the wireless charging pad will wirelessly charge the latest handsets. The rear of the vehicle is finished in the same premium materials as the front, with the leather and Alcantara finish. The seats also feature the Isofix anchor points for easily installing a child car seat. The rear passengers do also benefit from a nice central armrest, which can easily be folded away should you need the middle third seat. And the passengers to the back get the controls for the 3rd zone of the climate control setting, as well as just below that a 12-volt power socket, which is nice for keeping those kids' devices charged on those longer journeys, ensuring they are kept entertained. So thank you for coming on a tour of this approved used Audi Q5 S line. If you would like any more information on the vehicle, please don't hesitate to give our team a call on 01782 488 205. Thank you.